average, coconut oil traps in moisture. Coconut oil is more like a protein treatment, so it doesn't break hair. It actually strengthens the hair strand. Generally, that's the work of coconut oil, and when you use it, if your hair responds to it well, then you have discovered a phenomenal oil. But then you have to try it. You have to try it, and it's not just trying it for a week, a month. Since you're testing whether it doesn't cause hair fall and you're trying to see if it can thicken the hair, you need to go on a 90-day hair growth challenge to get the results that you need. But if it's about hair fall, I think in just a month you'll be able to know this product is actually breaking my hair and I'm losing a lot of hair. That is very easy to discover. But on the thickness, you need a little more time. Give it like 3 months. Find a very nice protective hairstyle that you can apply or you can wear after you've done your wash, condition, and then style. Find a protective style that is slightly loose so that you do not cause tension to the scalp. And wear that kind of hairstyle. I love braids. I'm literally almost always in braids. Wear that hairstyle for a month. If it's the twists like mine, you can retwist after a month, but don't wear them out and start combing your hair. No, don't comb your hair for the next 90 days. Just wear a hairstyle that you can easily restyle without having to undo your whole head of hair. And in 3 months, you'll be able to know, using coconut oil, and in 3 months, you'll be able to know whether coconut oil is jiving with your head of hair. And if it's not, you can switch it up. There's so many oils out there that you can try. So much to learn on oils, but I think I'll leave it here. I was trying to answer these and see if they'll be of benefit to the readers on Quora and also my YouTube family. And I will link this video on Quora page. Do go to my Quora page. I have linked it in the description. You'll find some valuable information to grow your natural hair. Thank you for joining me. Always looking forward to seeing you in the next video.